Hi, my name is Fernando Garza. I am the UX designer, one of the developers for ScanBizCards for the Windows Phone platform. I'm just going to walk you through some of the interesting features that we implemented for ScanBizCards, and one of them happens to be the live tiles. So for ScanBizCards, we brought in a live tile. A live tile quickly shows you if there's any processes that need to be done. And right now there's none. So let's dig into the application. Since I am running in an emulator, I won't be able to show you the camera feature, but I may be able to bring you into the photo album. But there's a lot of other things I should show you. So right off the bat, let's just dig into my folders and business cards. So here I am prompted with my folders. I can quickly add a folder. I can also, by tapping and holding down, the context menu will launch and I can rename a folder. I also have recent cards. These are all the cards that I've been looking at. And Shevin Christie happens to be one of the other developers for ScanBizCards. This is another feature I use quite a bit, the search feature. Let's search for myself. There I am. Let's click on myself. And as you see, I have all the entries that pertain to me. I can easily add myself to your People Hub. That's a really nice feature that we implemented. You can call me, you can email me, you can also invite me to LinkedIn. Another thing is, if you want to change a type, you easily just hold down and launch the context menu and your change type will come up. Since we don't want to do that at the moment, I can also just tap on the text box and change the information like that. So I'm done with that. So now we're back at this manage the folders pivot. If one interesting thing is we'd like to do a lot of things easy and fast. Just by holding down on that particular contact, you can easily add that contact, send out the quick intro, invite to LinkedIn. You don't have to actually go into the card to do that. It's just something we're like, okay, let's do it that way. So let's get back out of this. Let's go into WebSync. Let me explain WebSync a bit. WebSync allows you, the user, to sync your contact up to the cloud. And one great thing that we did for ScanBizCards for the Windows Phone platform was provide you, the user, with 1 free year WebSync service. And this is WebSync is, just so you know, WebSync is also required in order for you to scan your business cards. But WebSync is just such a great feature to have. Because not only does it allow you to back up your cards, but it also allows you to sync up to multiple devices such as an iPad, your desktop computer. You can easily open WebSync up and go to a browser and manage your cards that way. Now I'm going to go into the help menu. Help menu just shows you some of the basic things that may get you through, that should get you through ScanBizCards. If you do find that there is a bug, tap on the report a bug. Or if you think like, hey, this is a great and amazing application, feel free to shoot us that too. So I'm going to take you to the settings page. Our first pivot shows you the languages that we can scan in, and there happens to be 21 languages. We gave you the option to personalize ScanBizCards. I personally like the purple, so I stayed in that, but by default it's red. You can easily change it to black, blue, or olive. Let's stay with purple. These are some of the other features that we implemented. I actually like scan right after taking the picture. show you the cropping rectangle. Link. This is LinkedIn. This is when you say invite. When you tap on invite to LinkedIn, this is what the user will get. If you want to set up, you want to set up LinkedIn, you just put in your user credentials right here, and you should be good to go. Quick intro. This is the email. This is what they'll get when you send out a quick intro. And we are now at the delete cards pivot. I must emphasize that you should break the sync between your web sync and your ScanBizCards application. So please, please, please double check before you delete this. And that is ScanBizCards. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@scanbizcards.com. And thank you.